your name and your position in your company?
My name is Konstantin. I'm working for Midas. It's a project called Midas Technologies AG, based in Zug, Switzerland. And Midas is an investment app for retail investors. And what we do is basically building a portfolio management system for retail investors on top of the Melon protocol. So, who don't know about Melon protocol, it's a fund management implementation on the blockchain. So basically everybody can have an investment fund for just a few bucks. And we're using this protocol and build like a huge environment around this, which is a social financial network where people can follow each other and exchange investment related content. And under this we have the investment layer where people can invest in all sorts of digital assets. So everything that can be tokenized, basically everything you can hold in a wallet. So from CryptoKitties over tokenized art up to tokenized real estate or shares, for example. And also you can invest in other Midas funds. So you can create a fund of fund structure. So you have, for example, the ranking that shows the best performing funds. So if you don't know anything about investing, you come new to the platform, just check out, okay, fund number 1 looks pretty good, so I invest some bucks and I participate in the successful strategy. And whenever you do this, the guy who is actually managing this fund, he gets a little reward, obviously. And we also have a function, it's called community fund. It's basically group investing. It requires nothing more than opening a chat group, talk with your buddies about, I don't know, the latest nice token you saw, and let's say, you discuss the pros and cons in the chat, and then you just decide to invest together, and then you have a group fund. And again, when you perform nice and you have a good strategy, people will come, see it, invest, and you as a group get your little rewards for this. So this is kind of the main thing. And what we really highlight, what really differentiates us is the amounts of assets that we provide, as Midas is a modular system, so we can integrate any business that provides tokens, and we really want to focus on alternative asset classes. So we want to break up this traditional perception of investing, so there's shares and there's real estate and that's it, to really provide an investment experience to people that really matters to them. So for example, we integrate prediction markets with Gnosis, so that basically everybody who has a strong opinion on something can monetize this opinion by using a prediction market as a portfolio
really cool.
part.
Really cool. I was telling you a little bit about ChronoLogic,
exactly,
about scheduling smart contracts or payments for the future. Can you think of any type of use case that integrates into this ecosystem?
Yeah, actually, perfectly. Talk about prediction markets. So conditional prediction markets could be a really nice use case, so that you have a future event and you say, okay, if X happens, I invest in Y or something like this.
Exactly.
So this could be definitely a use case.
Very cool. Yeah, it seems like another problem you might be solving is if there's a token that doesn't have enough volume to be listed on an exchange, or has some kind of obstacle of getting listed on exchanges, they could still be invested in somehow.
Yeah, I mean, it's a little bit the question. We want to integrate several exchanges to really have. If you're in Argentina, for example, today, you cannot access Kraken. So you have a disadvantage compared to a user from Europe. So we really want to integrate any option to have the most broadest availability to draw your assets to your portfolio.
Great. How can people learn more on the internet about your project?
Just go to Midas.Social. You can follow us on Twitter. It's Midas_app. And that's it, basically.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.